Are you expecting money from China and wondering how to receive it in Zambia safely and quickly? Maybe you're a supplier, business owner, freelancer, or service provider working with clients in China, and you need a reliable way to receive your payments. In this video, I'll show you the easiest and most efficient way to receive money from China in Zambia. Let's get started. Receiving money from China can sometimes be complicated. International bank transfers can take several days. Bank charges can be high, exchange rates may not be favorable, and sometimes funds get delayed due to compliance checks. If you rely on international payments for your business, these delays can disrupt your cash flow. So, what's the solution? The easiest way to receive money from China in Zambia is by using a trusted payment agent who understands both Chinese payment systems and local Zambian payment methods. That's where I come in. I help individuals and businesses receive payments from China smoothly and securely. Whether the sender is using WeChat, Pay Alipay Chinese bank transfer, I can assist in converting and processing the funds into Zambian kwacha through an agreed local method. Here's how it works. Step 1. Contact me on WhatsApp only. Step 2. Share the details of the payment you're expecting from China. Step 3. The sender completes the payment using the agreed Chinese method. Step 4. I confirm receipt and process the equivalent amount locally. Step 5. You receive your funds in Zambia. Fast, secure, reliable. Why choose me? I am a trusted and well known online entrepreneur in Zambia. I have experience handling digital currency exchanges and cross border transactions. Transparent rates, no hidden charges, fast processing times, professional communication, a strong reputation built on trust and consistent service. When receiving international payments, reliability and transparency are important. I make sure the process is smooth and secure. Very important. To avoid scams or impersonators, contact me on WhatsApp only. Do not trust anyone claiming to represent me through other unofficial platforms. WhatsApp only. If you want to receive money from China in Zambia safely and efficiently, get in touch with me today. Message me on WhatsApp only to get started. Let's make your international transactions simple and stress free. See you on WhatsApp.